But we're out here. It's November 1st. We're out here in Georgia Mountain Lakes. We're fishing for the I-League November monthly. The October monthly is wrapped up. I haven't checked if anybody submitted fish yesterday. Last night, last time I checked, nobody did. But congratulations to Derek Wilson. He won. He had a great bag. He anchored his bag with a giant 21-incher. Congratulations to him. And so we got 5 people signed up so far for the November monthly. We have um, what do you call it? We're gonna keep the opens. We're gonna let you, like, if you want to. We're gonna keep it open for another week. If somebody wants to sign up late or whatever, and like I said before, anybody wants to come. I've got 2 more weeks left of my job, and then I'm going to Santee to fish QCKBF tournament out there. Um, so when December comes, or anybody wants to try to catch me on a weekend off or whatever, give me a message and say, hey, you're going to go fishing this weekend. I'd like to come, and vice versa. Like, I like to learn other people's stuff. I like to go, like, I would like to go to Hickory Log and learn to catch fish on there, or learn to catch fish on Notley, which I suck at, and, some of those other lakes up there. So we're trying to keep everything fair. We're trying to keep everything, within the boundary, like within the, competitive online as much as you can be. So we've opened more lakes. Check the website, or check the Facebook page, iLeague. So we're out here. We're going to try to catch a few. And I just was listening to a podcast. Drew Gregory was he was DQ'd from a tournament, from this Gunnersville tournament, and then people protested. He won the official appeal, so he's the official winner. Congratulations to him. But man, I really think last year. I mean, I'm not saying. I'm saying kudos to him for his style of fishing, but I really feel there's got to be a change. I mean, you can't have people fishing like 15 miles from the lake. That's just. It's just. I think it's going to be the the. The ramp's going to have to be named out, just like Vinny does in the QCKBF. The boundaries are going to have to be made, or else people are going to be like, hey man, why am I going to spend $250, $275? I'm sure everything will go up next year like it always does. But like, why am I going to pay this money just to, like, have to deal with somebody creeping up a river and, like, way up a river, even though we can access it, even though they've done the freaking work. They've done the work to get up those rivers, done their research, and gotten permissions and whatever they need to do to get to that public access. But I think they just need to tweak the rules a little bit. I mean, it's just getting ridiculous. It's like kind of the same people winning all the time, which I understand because they're good. You look at Christine Fisher. She's a freaking hammer. She can win on the lake, on a river, on a whatever. But I don't know. It's just, you start to think in your mind, it's like, this is what I have to do to win. I have to take my 53-year-old self and, like, drag my freaking little kayak. I have a little kayak, I don't know. I hope they clarify that rule here pretty soon. That'd be great. But, that's just my thoughts on that. Hopefully next year, everybody seems to be taking their sweet time, getting their schedules out as far as bass and the Hobie. So we'll see what happens, and I'll be checking back with you.
Busier than crap, and I was coming unglued, and I needed time just to go out and fish. I go to this lake, and it turns out it's like one of the best.
I'm not going to measure him. He's probably only 14 inches.
There wasn't a breeze. It was slick, flat, sunny, bright sun, 70 degrees. It was like a mirage out when you look at the lake. You know how they get eerily flat. And so they sprayed this lake. This lake used to have really good grass in it.
Oh my gosh!
And they sprayed the lake.
Twisted up.
I knew they were going to drop the pellets in there. I just didn't know how many or when, because what the DNR told me was that it was going to be very controlled and very spotty. Mm-hmm. What I found out is they wiped.
Bass Talk Live is a great podcast. 'Cause, I mean, I don't know. I just, I hope they clarify that rule here pretty soon. That'd be great. But, that's just my thoughts on that. Hopefully next year, everybody seems to be taking their sweet time, getting their schedules out as far as bass and the Hobie. So we'll see what happens, and I'll be checking back with you.
Is a great podcast.
There he is. Oh, that's bigger. That's bigger. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. I'm out here in the new canoe today. Just back out. There's a good school here. Oh yeah. He's got a messed up eye. I'm gonna have to do a video release. All right, let's get a picture. It's a good one. It's not a giant. But there's big ones here. Oh yeah. Go 16 and a half. Let's see. Don't jump out. Don't jump out. Oh, he's 17 and a half. Yeah. 17 and a half. His mouth is like jacked up. His mouth is jacked up. Just can't get his mouth shut because that might do it. That might do it. All right. Do a video release. Practice doing these video releases. That's the fish. He's got a jacked up eye. I don't know how to do this. There he is, jacked up eye, letting him go. Identifier fish. Oh, I don't even know. Now this will be the fun part. Trying to put this thing back. I got this behind the seat storage thing. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. Alright, I got it. Alright, let's see if we can get another one. Freaking bitey. School. These schools are smart. Like, it's very rare you'll catch a couple and then they move. Or they just stop messing with your stuff. Let's see if we can get another one on camera. I always get criticized because I don't have a lot of cast to catches, people. I mean, I have my editing set up, so as I'm sure you can tell, I mean, I can like literally require no editing just because I do like clip style. Like I would actually want to. I know it's like, I don't know, I'm old. It's hard for me to take an online course when it comes to editing. But if my community college, they don't do anything. I always look. If community college had some kind of like online editing or just some editing class, well, I would take it. It's intimidating. I mean, the GoPro way is like the corniest way, but it's the easiest. Eventually, editing will all be like editing. We can be able to pay to have our video edited, not for $600 a day, but for like $50 or something. That they run it through an algorithm, some kind of program.
I think that
There's
for
a
a lot
good
of
one.
people,
Fat.
again, everybody has a voice with social media now. But if you're getting into fishing, and I've seen people that have gotten into fishing just because they think they can grow an easy following, and
Bass
they're
and
just sitting there
Brews.
looking to get free shit, you're going about it the wrong way, and people are going to sniff that out also. Your heart has to be in it for the right reasons, and it has to shine through that you care. Just like...
I saw the guy, Paul Roberts. He did a video one time. It was like the most crappiest weather. It was like in the early spring. I think it was on Sharon Harris. And caught a damn giant on a crankbait, man. Opened my eyes up. 16 and a half. Stay on the board. Stay on the board. Not taking all my precautions. I need to move. The sun is jacking this fish up. Right. All right, 16 and a half, possibly. All right, there it is. Just leave the camera on because there was a little school of them. Had like 5 bites in a row. The under plunder. I lost a underspin to a pike over there, chain pickerel, whatever, piece of crap. And it jumped a couple times and it just swam. I could see the spinner. I could see the spinner on the underspin like spinning in his mouth, and damn, there was a big old shadow underneath him. I fished around there a little bit. I couldn't get whatever that thing was to bite, but there was something big underneath him. I said these schools will move around like they're running all through here. Trying to keep it out of the grass. Underspin will bury itself in the grass. Got a good one here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good jump. Oh yeah, that's a good one. The big ones are out today. That is a good one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whew. He smoked it. This one is thick. Man, biting. Last few times I come out here, you can see on my videos, like, been sucking. That thing might go 18, maybe. Might go 18. Move all my crap out of the way. Everything out of the way. Measure this one on the boat. All right. like another 17. These fish are fresh too. People don't really fish here. It's not really. Most of the guys, they go to Burton. That's the money lake for them. Boat guys. Come on now. Let's get this done. 17 3/4 of Georgia. Georgia pride right here. Just worry about that shade. I got DQ'd one time from a fish because my thing was in the shade. Like the mouth was in the shade. And it was not only in the shade, but it was like, you couldn't even see it. You could the picture disappeared past the head. All right, that might be better. All right, there it is, 17 3/4. I knew that was good the second he ate it. What? He doped it. Killed that one. Killed that one. Wow. That's terrible. Alright, let's see. Catch. Come on, dupe it. That one hit it harder than an 8-ball jacket. It was just like, boom. Like I said, the grass is dying back. Like I can see it. It's all brown. It's all mid-grade. All right. So, another one. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Whoa. Well, pull me over my seat. Biting today. They're crushing the old underplunder. I might measure him. Try to get. I'm not gonna. Whoa! I threw my freaking net. I've been lifting weights, getting strong. Threw my net. I almost threw my net out. Let's get a little picture of this guy. Might go 15. Spot was probably bigger. Let's see. 15. I don't know if he's gonna make it. Will definitely be 15.75 though. 14.75. Gnar. Gnarred my board. We're catching them today. Now you start to think, oh, how can I, they're here, you know? How can I catch a big one? What can I do to catch a big one? Put a big bait on. Have to be a swim bait because there's so much crap on the water. Let's see. A lot of times there'll be like a couple, so let's see if we can get one. Cast to catch. I've seen them blow bait up like a little bit on top water, but I mean on the surface, but not here and there.